If I lost everything today, money, job, network, and had to start from absolute zero, I wouldn't panic. I'd follow a simple strategy that could take me right back up. Point 1, mindset reset. First of all, I'd fix my mindset. I'd learn to ignore what society says or what family might think. A new beginning is only possible when you truly believe in yourself. Point 2, learn a high-income skill. I'd focus on learning one high-income skill, like freelancing, graphic design, content writing, or using AI tools. I'd use YouTube and free courses to develop the skill in 30 days. Point 3, offer my services, free or cheap. In the beginning, I'd offer my services for free, or at a low price, just to build experience and a portfolio. One good result can earn trust and referrals. Point 4, fix my daily routine. I'd create a fixed routine every day. Wake up early. Spend 2-3 hours working on my skill. Spend 2 hours on outreach, finding clients. End the day with reflection and planning. Once I had some cash flow, I'd build a digital product or start a business like dropshipping. In today's world, the internet is everything. You just need the right mindset.